I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them blue. Hi, and welcome to the channel. First of all, let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the F major, played with the C, the F, and the A, and the bass note of F. Then you will have the A minor, composed of the C, the E, and the A, and the bass note of A. Then D minor, played with the D, the F, and the A, and the bass note of D. Then the G minor, composed of the D, the G, and the A sharp, and the bass note of G. Then the A sharp major, composed of the D, the F, and the A sharp, and the bass note of A sharp. Then A major, composed of the C sharp, E, and A, and the bass note of A. C sharp major, composed with the C sharp, F, and G sharp, and the bass note of C sharp. And eventually the C major, composed by the C, the E, and the G, and the bass note of C. As always, you will find the PDF file associated with this song in the description box, so feel free to download this resource. Let's begin by the introduction. So here's the corresponding table. So a pretty short table, and you're gonna play it like this. 1, 2, okay? Just 1, 2, and then A sharp major, the same way. 1, 2, and then repeat one last time. 1, 2, 1, 2. So play this table twice, and right after that the song will start with the chorus. So here's the new table for that section. Without the lyrics, it should sound like this. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, and now with the lyrics. I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. And for the second part, here's the table that is going to be slightly different. So since it's the same beginning, I will directly jump to the C sharp major. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Na, 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 na. The colors of the rainbow. So verse, okay? And for that next section, you're gonna have a new table, so I will display it to you right now. And as you can see, there are 3 sections, so repeat the first section twice, repeat the second section 3 times, and then play the third section once. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky. Okay, so for the A minor, you can either play 1 bass note or 2, like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then repeat one last time. Are also on the faces of people going by. Na, na. And now second section to be repeated 3 times. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? And they really saying. And third section. I love you. Chorus. So So just replay the chorus with the corresponding tables. And here's the final table to be used for the last two sentences, so it would go like this. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I wish you good luck for that one, and I will see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.